Do not play with your life. Why not ignore this symptom? It is very important that you see this. The human body is an incredible mechanism. That is, your body finds many different ways to tell you that it lacks some vitamins. The most important thing is to realize these symptoms over time and know how to treat them, before they lead to some major diseases. One of these symptoms are the cracks in the corners of the mouth. Here are the most common causes. 1. The lack of vitamin B2. Some diseases of the stomach, usually accompanied by an increase in the secretion of gastric acid that destroys the lining of the lips. 3. Iron deficiency anemia. 4. Bacteria called Candida, which in the opinion of many leads to cancer. 5. Poor sanitary conditions and poor oral hygiene. 6. All of these are signs that you are likely to become a diabetic. If you have experienced some of the above factors, this is certainly a sign of lack of iron, zinc and B-complex vitamins such as niacin, B3, riboflavin, B2, and vitamin B12 deficiency. However, you do not have to worry, because we have the perfect solution for you. The solution to your problem is quite simple. All you have to do is eat more of the following products. 1. Tofu. 2. Flax seeds. 3. The cheese. 4. The chard and spinach. 5. Peanuts. 6. Dried apricots. 7. Asparagus. 8. All types of seeds. 9. And legumes. You also have to do is combine foods like broccoli and kale, which are extremely rich in vitamin C. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.